How's it going, YouTube? You already know who it is, unless you don't. And in that case, go ahead and check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button if you like. So guys, I think my opinion has changed on which bike I want next. Originally, I wanted the CBR 1000 RR SP, the 2017 and up version. And I still want it, don't get me wrong. But I think my opinion has changed. So recently, I've been seeing a crap ton of pictures of the 2017 Yamaha R6. And oh my gosh, that bike looks amazing. I've always thought the Yamahas look good. The R1, it looks good. But I think the Yamaha R6 is probably one of the sexiest bikes out to date. And that's pretty much why I want it. Another thing I got to thinking about, you know, if I got a 1000, I'm not really going to be able to use that power. Not around here anyways. I mean, unless I get on the interstate. But then again, I don't see me doing a 190 on the interstate. So, if I was to get the CBR 1000, you know, I'd be super happy with it, don't get me wrong. I think the cheapest I can get the SP right now is about 16,000, maybe 15. And the Yamaha R6, I can get it for 9. I think I like that price point a lot more. That means I could get it sooner. Another thing is, like I said, I got to thinking about, I wouldn't be able to use all that power, not around town anyways. And after riding Clay's bike, I noticed that, oh shit, I noticed that I didn't use all the power, but I pretty much could. So I pretty much could use all the power, and I did top it out on the interstate, so there's that. So I'm kind of leaning more towards the 600 now, and specifically because, you know, this bike, it's a great bike and all, but it's just not fast. And what's really fun about it is I can bang every gear out all day long. So, you know, on Clay's bike, I could be hard on it, and I would also be fast. And I think that would be the best of both worlds. And not only that, but I've heard that the handling on the R6 is one of the best out of all of the sport bikes around. And the whole handling thing is probably one of my favorite parts about this bike. I can throw this bike into a corner and it's just, there's nothing like it. So I haven't yet to ride an R6. I've ridden, you know, Clay's bike, Danny's bike. I've ridden a few big bikes, but never an R6. So definitely have to check one out before I do. But I think for now, my opinion has definitely changed on that. I think I want a 2017 or up Yamaha R6. Alright guys, let me know what you think, what your opinions are, and what you would get. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.